Hello everyone, it's me, Bo Chevy. So I wanted to give you a quick little sizing analysis of this. This is extra large. I am 6'2", 175 pounds. As you can see, this is what the length looks like so. So I would say if you are below 6'1", 6'2", you could probably get away with just a large. But in my particular case, the extra large works wonderfully. I don't mind it being a bit billowy also. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take off the included belt, this very nice rope actually, and you can see how much girth is here. So if you have more than a size 32 waist, you're gonna be just fine. Also, as far as accessories go, you will see that it does come with a cross made out of wood, so it is pretty solid, and then the actual hood comes off like this. Cool, huh? And then lastly, my daughter got this because she is so smart, but I actually attached this to my necklace, effectively making it my monkey.